Hello everyone, my name is Qijun, and I'm actually a student from CMPTC 376 grading course, and my topic is today is loop. And this video is for those people who study in middle school. So did you guys ever heard about the race of the rabbit and turtle? The rabbit can do a lot of movement, like jump up and down or turn left or right, and maybe sleep. That's why he loses. But turtle and can always go forward. Maybe he can do like spinning to towards another side, but always go straight and keep moving. And so that's why the turtle graph we created, because we can imagine we have a pen on the turtle tails, and we can like record the turtle's movement, and maybe go straight with a straight line and turn with an angle, and then go straight, and that's why we make the graph. And we can control the pen is up and down towards the turtle's relative position. And we have the four operation, which is forward and backward and right with an angle and left with another certain angle to turn the turtle, but always move forward. So imagine we need to like draw a squares. So we need to start here and we do forward, which is initially the default towards north, and we go come to here. And then we set up an angle which is right to 90 degrees and we go towards the east and go another 100. And then we like make another 90 degrees rotate and we go 100 and towards here and do a lot of the last repeat works and then we go back to the initial position. But what if we have a really big image? That's why we need a lot of comments, maybe thousands of them, like this. We need to do a lot of forwards and rotate forward and rotate forward and rotate maybe backward to make this kind of square, maybe thousands of the comments or lines. That's why we have a loop. We can only set up a range, maybe 1 to 1000, or maybe 1 to 3 at this moment. We can like repeat this kind of two operation again and again, just like how we made the squares. And for 4, it's like a if, and then the I in the range is like a condition. If the I is still in the range, the condition is satisfied, and we can keep loop until the I is out of the range. But that's the for loop is actually the finite loop. How we make the infinite loop? We need a while. While loop is actually the same thing with the for loop, but for loop is infinite, but where is actually can be infinite. So right now we have a similar like formula with our operation with the for loop. We set up a range which is inside the 3 in the range of 3, and we set up initially the index is equal to 0, and we add 1 once every times. And we keep doing this kind of operation until it's out of range. But we can set up, there is no range in where loop. Like we set up the I is equal to true, and why we set up this? Because where I is equal to true, we have no update. So it's always be true. So we can make it infinite. But for loop can only be finite. The where loop can be infinite.